Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS05 isn't working, it may be due to a damaged cable. This often happens from regular wear and tear or if the cord gets tugged too harshly. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further electrical issues, making your device unusable and potentially unsafe. For this repair, you will need a small screwdriver, a replacement cable for the Dyson HS05, a pair of tweezers, and some electrical tape. First, ensure your Dyson HS05 is unplugged to avoid any risk of electric shock. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws on the handle of the device. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as they will be needed later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. The damaged cable is usually located near the entry point of the cord into the device. Look for any frayed or exposed wires. Once you have located the faulty section, use the tweezers to carefully detach the cable from its connectors. Be gentle to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement cable and connect it to the same points where the old cable was attached. Ensure that the connections are secure. If there are any screws holding the cable in place, tighten them gently. Once this is done, carefully close the handle of the Dyson HS05 and replace the screws, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to avoid stripping the threads. Before you finish, plug the device back in and test it to confirm that the repair was successful. If the device operates as expected, you can proceed to tidy up the cable with some electrical tape to prevent future damage. To avoid similar issues in the future, try to handle your Dyson HS05 with care, avoiding any unnecessary pulling on the cord, and consider regularly checking for any wear or damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.